Are you or someone you know living with diabetes? Do you want to learn more about managing your sugar levels? Come join us for a free diabetes detection and treatment camp at Family Medicare Heart Centre, near bus stand, Palwal on every Thursday including the 6th of July 2023 between 9 am to 11 am. Discover a wealth of knowledge and tips from our experienced medical professionals. Learn about the latest advancements in diabetes management and treatment options. Get personalized advice on nutrition, exercise, and lifestyle modifications to manage your diabetes effectively. Receive free diabetes screenings and consultations to assess your current health status. Know your blood sugar levels to stay healthy and happy. For more information, contact or WhatsApp 9996128250.